This evening is a celebration of sorts for the BL community as we welcome the second cohort of the Future Bridging Leaders program of the AIMT Energy Center for Bridging Leadership. And to our young and emerging bridging leaders, as we said during yesterday's session, I hope that you use your pain to create beauty and light within and in the communities in which you desire change to happen. And we hope that your journey will evolve beyond this fellowship.
FBLP fellows are individuals who are not just passionate, but those who also initiate his or her own intervention. It might be through creating a project, forming an organization, or by being an inspiration to others so that they may pay it forward. An FBLP fellow will not stop until he or she improves someone else's life.
One of the most important programs that we have ever implemented. As a matter of fact, we see it as a legacy of something that can last even way past the life of even our own company. The reason why this was set up is to come up with a different kind of leaders who can transcend the gaps between societies, communities, the government, and now the VUCA world.